Since 2009, the European Space Agency's Gotcha satellite's been in a low Earth orbit mapping the world's gravitational field. But now it's falling, and ESA says it can't predict how quickly or where exactly the one-ton spacecraft will crash. Most of it will burn up when it hits the Earth's atmosphere.
Impact is expected sometime in the next day or two, but experts stress the chances of anyone getting hurt by falling debris are almost astronomical.
The irony is this satellite was put up to find the Earth's gravitation, and now it's going to get drugged to the ground by the gravitation itself. There's so much space junk up there, though. This is going to be a weekly, monthly occurrence that we talk about these things, where satellites are coming down. Let me show you.
Lottie should be playing the lottery.
I'll play with her. I'll split a Powerball ticket with her. Look at the stuff in the sky. Now, not all this is junk. Many of these are actually operating satellites, but eventually all this is going to have to come to the ground, because every satellite at some point is going to run out of fuel. It's going to have to go down closer and closer to the ground, and eventually they're all going to fall away.
At present, we cannot say where the re-entry is going to happen, except that it's not going to happen north of 85 northern latitude or south of 85 southern latitude. We are in contact with national civil protection agencies throughout Europe of ESA member states. So they get all the information we have on the re-entry prediction, and that also includes information on emergencies in case parts of the satellite fall on inhabited area. In total, since Sputnik was launched, about 15,000 tons have returned from space. Most of this burns up when it re-enters in the atmosphere due to aerothermal heating. So typically between 10 and 40% of the initial mass survives such a re-entry. And the few pieces that survives then reach the ground, but with much reduced velocity. So typical velocities upon impact are like between 200, 300 kilometers an hour, which is a speed that you can achieve on German motorways with a good-sized car.